Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Farah, and of course, I just want to share with everybody, especially to all my followers, why I do love Jumeirahville subdivision. First, it's a first Sharia compliant subdivision in the Philippines. At the same time, syempre tayo mga balik Islam, we Muslims, my brothers and sisters, we want a community which is hindi tayo mahihirapan. Especially, alam niyo yung magpapahinga ka or oras na para mag-pray tayo, magsala tayo, tapos biglang may nagkakaraoke kapitbahay, di ba? Because I'm a Balik Islam, no? Mga kagaya ko po na Balik Islam, we are looking for a permanent house or permanent na magiging community natin, which is pwede natin gawin yung mga bagay na magkaroon tayo ng freedom. Especially, this is Sharia compliant, the first Sharia compliant subdivision in the Philippines. And at the same time, syempre, hindi na tayo mahirapang lumabas, maghanap ng mga halal na bagay, halal na pagkain dahil mismo sa loob ng Jumeirah, magkakaroon po tayo ng mismong center kung saan pwede kayong mamili lahat ng kailangan nyo, inshallah. Once again, to everyone who's interested with Jumeirah subdivision, no riba, no penalties, no interest. Inquire now, inshallah.